Hi all, I thought we'd have a look at a new car that's just come in from Tamiya. Now this is an all new tool kit. Some people think it's been reduced from their 16 scale car or something like that, or some other 16 scale version of this. It's not. It's an all new tool, all new detail. Now this is the version that was sold in Japan only, so it's a bit unique. So let's have a look inside it. Obviously from Tamiya, 24th scale. So, what do we got? Got the usual bits and pieces, a little bit about it, English and Japanese, hints and tips. This is the instruction book, so a usual Tamiya styling. Oh, it's got an engine. It's got fairly heavily detailed. Oh, look at this. So it comes with an engine, which is unusual for some of the Tamiya cars. You don't normally find them in normal curbside. So this is very, very nice. The question will be, will you be able to open and close the bonnet? And I would suggest that you can. So there's quite a bit of detail in there. So it's really nice. I'm not a big car modeler. I've done a couple over the years, but this looks really, really nice. There's all sorts of bits and pieces there. That's really well done. And the bonnet can, oh, now let me just check. Oh, you can have the bonnet opening and closing. Just got to follow the little instructions thing there to do it properly. So they've got a bit of a mechanism to hold it open. So there you go. Looks good. So let's see what we get. So body. Whoops. Looks quite nice. Certainly looks like a 240Z, but in white. So yeah, that looks good. Clear parts. The usual Tamiya classic clear parts, very, very nicely done. This looks like, oh, this is the chrome surrounds for the windows. Hey, that's pretty cool. So that's good. Be careful when you cut them off, but I think the way they've done it is to keep them as tight as possible, so you don't have to do any touch-up work. If you do need to touch them up, a lot of people are using the Molito chrome that will replicate almost this chrome effect, so that's quite good. What have we got? There's a grey, silver grey parts. This appears to be all, yeah, this is all your engine detail. Look at that. How detailed is that? This is really nice. Exhaust thing, manifolds. This is the engine block. Look at all the detail there. Just really, really, really well done. So even from above or below, this is going to be quite a nice kit to show off. So that's pretty cool. Some more chrome parts. This is your rims and headlights and all sorts of bits and pieces. What do we got? These are in black. Oh, this is your body. This is the tub. And this looks like suspension gear. Yeah, there's a suspension gear there. There's all sorts of things in there. So the tub looks, you know, a lot of detail to put into it. That's oh, that's part of the door frame. That's part of the interior door frame. You can see all that. It's even got the handles and all sorts of things like that. Very cool. Very nice. What else we got? Oh, this is the rest of the tub by the look of it. Seats. Looks like spare wheel hub there. Bit of a frame. There's your bonnet. It's quite good. Part of the rear parcel shelf or something or other. So there's quite, the detail on it is what you'd expect from Tamiya, but the level is even more than I've seen on a lot of the Tamiya early cars and things like that. So this is very, very nice. What else we got? Rubber tyres. You got 4 of them, so that looks pretty cool. What else have we got? Oh, a little decal sheet for your instruments and things like that by the look of it. So some other bits and pieces in there, badges, exterior badges and things like that, all in decal form. So, and they've got it. Oh, they do have a bit of texture to them, so they'll probably stand up a little bit too. So that's pretty cool. But in that's not bad. Little poly caps. Yeah, a couple of little poly caps there. So that's really, really nice. So as I said, it's a brand new tool, so it's not a development of any other thing or reissue or whatever. So yeah, it's really nicely done. Interesting to see what some car modelers do with it and how well it comes up. I'm sure they'll come up with a great job on it. But yeah, look, very, very nice. I really like that engine. The engine block is the detail on the engine block. You could have a lot of fun painting all that up. So that's very, very nice. So there you go. So something for the car modelers, which I haven't done for a while. So yeah, some new, intriguing new ways of doing some things. So other than that, have a great day. It's in stock now, so drop in and see us and go from there. Have a great day. See you later.